In this video, you'll learn how to effectively review Perplexity Pro. The process will involve examining its features, testing various tasks, comparing its accuracy, and finally writing your opinion on the overall usefulness. Begin by accessing the Perplexity Pro platform. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Once you are on the main interface, look for the section that outlines the features available in Perplexity Pro. Take note of how quickly the system responds to your queries, as speed is a crucial aspect of user experience. Next, explore the Comet Browse feature, which allows for more efficient navigation through information. This feature enhances your ability to gather data quickly. After familiarizing yourself with these features, observe the priority responses that Perplexity Pro offers. These responses should appear more promptly than those in the free version, which can significantly improve your workflow. After evaluating the features, it's time to test various tasks. Start by conducting a research query, input a complex question, and analyze the response time and quality of the information provided. Following this, try asking for summaries of articles or documents. This will allow you to see how well Perplexity Pro condenses information. Next, engage with multi-step queries that require the system to follow a sequence of questions. This will give you insight into how well Perplexity Pro handles complex inquiries compared to its free counterpart. Take mental notes on the accuracy of the responses, as this will be essential for your comparison later. Once you've gathered enough data from your testing, compare the accuracy of the answers you received with those from the free version. Check for consistency and correctness in the responses. This comparison will help you determine whether the subscription offers a significant advantage in terms of information quality. Now, evaluate the overall value of the subscription. Consider whether the unique features you experience justify the cost of the subscription. Think about how the speed, accuracy, and additional features align with your needs. This assessment will be crucial in your final opinion. Finally, write your opinion on Perplexity Pro. List the pros and cons of the features you reviewed, along with your thoughts on its overall usefulness. Be specific about what you liked and what could be improved, as this will provide a balanced perspective for anyone considering the service. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.